Hello everyone, I'm called Emmanuel Senyumba and I'm the one who is going to be with you in Python programming. Here we are going to look on so many things. The first one is to see how we can save our Python script into a file. The second one is coding exercise, and the third one is to write a string in Python. So without going so far, let's start on how we can save our Python script into a file. The first you have to do is to go to your file menu, click on Save As, choose the destination of the project. Then by naming your file, remember to add an extension .py so that your file can be recognized by the Python. Then after this, you are able to find your file where you have saved it. So here you have some examples like printing a hello world like this, and also this is the second example where you can calculate the sum of two numbers that a user has provided in the Python. So after this, let's look on some coding exercise. The first one is to write a program in Python that gives the greatest common divisor of any two numbers. The second one is to write the one that will give the least common multiple of any two numbers. So, but before checking our answers, try to do your own program and check if you can try, then compare it with these answers. This is the first answer, this is the second answer. So after this, let's work on some stringing. And by this, while you are writing some strings in the Python, you can use either single quotes, double quotes, or triple quotes. So here I have an example like this. This is the second example where you write a print, then inside the brackets you write a word inside the quotes that you want to be displayed, then add the comma. Then after this, you can write what you have already declared to be displayed in place of the word that is going to be displayed. So if you write this one, then you will see string equal programming. This is how you can declare your word. So here you can also display the first letter of your word like this. You can also display the last character of your word by counting from the negative. From this example you can see. Then if you want to check other examples, you can also see this slicing from second to fifth, and like this. These are other examples. So then if you want to concatenate two or more strings, you can also use addition sign like this one. You can also use multiplication sign like this one to display a single word in multiple times. Like here you have used 3, then we shall print this hello word 3 times. Then after this, let's look on string membership. Here, if you want to check whether substring exists in a string or not, you can use a keyword in, and here we have some 2 examples, this one and this one. So after learning these interesting keywords, let's look on some built-in functions like len this one, which means the length of your string, and also enumerate function, which shows the position of each substring in the string. So Here we can take an example of string quote. So by using enumerate function, you shall find each and every position of substring. Like here, C belongs to the position number 0, O belongs to the first or 1, L belongs to the second, and D belongs to the third. So here also we can use len function, then it will give us the number of all substrings that are inside in our on our string. So after this we can look on how we can escape some series of quotes. Like if you have a word like this, it is not possible to display it when you want to see that it can be displayed like this. So this is sentence of someone else, and we want to display it like it is. So here we can neither use single nor double quotes to display this sentence, as it has to be displayed with its quotes. So here we have three possibilities. We can use either triple quotes, like here. If you use triple quotes, it will be displayed like this. The second one is to use we can use the backslash in front of single quote, like this one. So then we can use single quote if we use this backslash in front of this single quote. And the third one, we can use backslash in front of double quotes of this sentence. Then we can apply double quotes so that we can neutralize these quotes. So here we have these quotes here. If you use this backslash, like what we have used here, it neutralizes these quotes. Then you can here use double quotes as usual. So after this, I can thank you for your attention. This is the end of today's session. Hope you have gained and enjoyed this session. So see you next time. Thank you so much.